In order to be interesting, you need to be interested. Repeat after me. In order to be interesting, you need to be interested. People like to be around people who make them feel important, because this is how your brain will think when you're having a conversation, okay? Okay, how do I listen to this conversation so that I can say something to appear more interesting, to appear more intelligent, to appear bigger than I am? When in reality, that is not going to make you more charismatic. People don't care about you. You are not that important. The main thing that you need to realize when having interactions with people is that you are not that important. People only care about themselves. In order to become more interesting, in order to attract people like a magnet into your life, you need to make them interested in themselves. You need to make them feel loved. You need to make them feel as if someone is really, really listening to them instead of just listening in order to respond. And there's this passage inside of the book, How to Win Friends and Influence People. And it says something like this. When I had dinner with this politic, whatever, let's call him John. When I had dinner with John, he made me think that he was the most intelligent person in the room, the most intelligent person in history. But then when I had dinner with Abraham Lincoln, he made me feel as if I was the most intelligent person in history. And that's the difference between someone who is just nice and to someone who is charismatic, someone who will just give you his entire attention and will make you feel as if you are the center of the world. And that is exactly how you attract people in your life. That is exactly how you make them magnetic and just hopelessly devoted to you. And that's exactly how you do it. Just be more interested. In order to be more interesting, just be more interested. And as always, stay patient because your prophecy is unfolding.